Hey guys, today I'm gonna share with you how to make my family's favorite steak and egg breakfast burritos. So if you wanna learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our flour tortillas. To my bowl, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Going to be adding a little bit of salt, so about 3/4 of a teaspoon. Mix it with your clean hand. Into that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of shortening. Now just crumble it together. Okay, so now slowly we're going to be adding our warm water. So just until our flour is nice and hydrated. Okay, so that took about 1 cup and 1/3. Okay, now we're just going to be kneading for 5 minutes. Or just until the flour no longer sticks to our hand. Okay, and once our dough is nice and smooth, now we're going to divide it into 8 large balls. So just divide it, roll it, and place it on a piece of parchment paper. And once we have divided our dough, we're just going to rub a little butter into our hands. Just press it over our balls, cover them in plastic wrap, and allow them to rest for at least 20 minutes. Okay, and after 20 minutes, we're going to get ready to shape our tortillas. And at this point, make sure that your comal is nice and hot. So just roll them out. Okay, so once we have our burrito-sized tortilla, we're going to take it to the comal. Okay, make sure that your comal is nice and hot. And we're just going to allow it to blister. Okay, so after about 30 seconds, our tortilla should have blistered. We're going to flip it over and just allow it to puff. Okay, and after another 30 seconds, our tortilla should be done. We're going to place it in a kitchen towel. Make sure to keep it covered, and we repeat the process. Okay, and after about 8 minutes, we have all of our tortillas. So now we can get ready to cook our steak. In my skillet, going to add a little bit of oil. Set it on high heat and allow it to heat up. Okay, once it's nice and hot, we're going to add 1.5 pounds of flank steak cut into strips. And we're just going to season with salt and black pepper. Give it about 2 minutes per side. Going to add 6 small potatoes. Just going to season it with garlic salt. We're also going to add 1 small red bell pepper, 1 small onion, and 2 roasted poblano peppers. Going to move it around and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes, or just until the potatoes are about almost done. So now we're just going to move everything to the side and get ready to add our eggs. Going to scramble them. Okay, so now just begin to mix the steak and everything with the egg. Now we're just going to fully cook our eggs. Now get ready to make our delicious burritos. Alrighty guys, and now we can get ready for the fun part. So we're going to grab a tortilla. I'm going to be spreading some refried beans to the bottom. And now we're going to grab our steak and egg mixture. And this is going to be enough for the 8 burritos. So we add it like that. And here you can add avocado if you want, or just anything that you want to add inside. I'm just going to be adding a little cheese. Going to grab the ends, grab the top, kind of cover it, make sure everything stays in, and roll. Go back in, just like that. Okay, and we repeat with the rest of our tortillas. Okay, and once we have our burritos, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, it's fast, and of course, you know, if you don't want to make your homemade tortillas, you can always just use store-bought, but let me tell you that honestly, homemade is always better. It makes a difference. They are seriously super delicious, and the feeling, the best. So I am so ready. Let me tell you that these burritos are really filling. So These are our favorite weekend burritos, so hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers. I'm going to add my little salsa. Alrighty. The steak, so soft, so flavorful, so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious breakfast burritos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.